Here, hold this for me. All right, so tilt it down like right about there. So now I'm going to slide it on, but I need to line up. You see there's a key right here. So I need to line up this slot. Right there, Doug. So I may have to shimmy it back and forth. You can see, get the thing close. There it goes. Okay, so now it's flush. Now I don't want to forget my washer. This has to go back on. Neat. This one has to go back on. So don't forget that guy. It's fragile too, so this is made out of brass. So be very careful with it. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my grease gun and I am just going to laden this thing, right, with some grease. Now I don't want to get it into the motor, right? So don't push it into there. We just want to cover the teeth. Get some nice coverage there. Give it a rotation, right? Start working it in. You can see now that when I rotate, it wants to pull the motor, right? I stay away from the graphite stuff. First of all, I don't like the smell of that moly. Just it's repulsive. And but the lithium-based grease for me works fine. Now, you may want to use some ball bearing grease, but this is, you know, these are Teflon bushing, so. And that's it. Once I'm happy with how much grease is in there, slide it on. Make sure I get that thing. Got to get those gears to sit inside as I slide that in, and get the gears to slip back into that gem. So, give it a couple rotations. You can see that it wants to pull forward, so everything looks good. So, I assume that this thing is just going to jam once we, so I can't wait to take it for a rip. We're going to put it on here in a minute. Let me close her up and we'll take it for a test drive.